Okay guys, good afternoon. Ito ang short quick ride sa Kapas Shrine. Ayan siya. Para siyang rocket ship. Ito yung ride natin syempre. At anong makikita nyo dito? Okay, ito si Raquel, busy siya. Anong makikita nyo dito? Ito ay isang monument ng mga heroes. Mga nag-death march. Okay. Dito, you will see, this is so massive. Ayan. Tired, hungry, defenders like heroes old held their ground to be brave and true to the last man. The smoke of battle cleared. A crimson flood lay like a carpet on the hollowed ground. O heroes, you died not in vain. New blood, pick up your cry. Yan. One united sound until victory, the fight must go on. Each Filipino alert, a heart of Bataan. One Lasso, World War II veteran. Okay. So, ito yung mga names. Yan. Okay. Siya. Yan, oops. At dito yung mga kamag-anak namin. Ito sila. Austria. Ayan. Yan. Yan, Austria. Austria yan. Ha? Austria. Heroes. Wala dyan. Yan. So, massive. I don't know how big that is, but it's really big.